Hello, I come across this place and it's absolutely amazing. It's full of all old cars, tractor bits, even cars going back to the 20th century. Not much left of them now, but there you can still see that they were once with a good car. I'm with Charlie, and let's take a look around. This is the old car here. I think it used to be an old Ford. Back in the day, I think it was like one of those Laurel and Hardy cars, if you know what I mean. That's what's left of it anyway. What's left of that. God, look at the cobwebs in there. I just love the smell of old cars. That's not too old. Maybe 20 years, 30 years old. Yeah, about 30 years old. If that. An old car there. Little bird's nest in there. Too old either. Let's get out of the way of the road. Let's take a look around here. Here's the house. Let's see if we can get inside. Wow, this is just full of junk. God, this place is amazing.
They haven't got that stuff in there, do they? That stuff.
I don't know, try.
Asbestos. Right then. So is this just a normal house now?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I bet.
Oh, Charles, a piano in you.
What?
There's a piano in you. Hello? It works very much. The lovely piano there, Charles.
Oh my god, that work?
I don't know. I've tried it. Try and take a picture of it like that now.
Oh, I love it. Sorry.
Make sure it's not blur. Nice.
Look at that photo.
Oh yeah. Watch out, innit? Do it, innit?
Oh, look at that black pool.
quite a big house.
It is,
This place has been well and truly trashed. The floor's gone in here, in this one.
Bloody hell.
Someone like collecting books. Farmers Weekly. And there's thousands of them in there and they go right back.
This is amazing.
There's a massive hole in there, so be careful. Can you go back that way?
Yeah. Wait, fish with. Oh, God damn it.
Right, go on.
What are they records?
Can I go first?
Yeah.
As well, I'm just going to be recording you. God, you're thousands upon thousands.
I know. So 6 years old then, or?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought it was in the frame. What?
It's like fish in here.
Oh my God.
So you take a picture of all this, or you?
Like someone's died. I'm scared. Oh, Dad.
Smells.
Is it that? Piss.
No, I don't know.
Then again, this was bad things here, look.
Oops. Oh, look at this room. That looks like my nan.
Look at that baby. It's in water, but it looks like a person.
No, it's not.
Your face then. But it is, oh, look at that.
It's amazing, isn't it?
Yeah.
God, this place goes on. Oh, wicked.
Check it up.
Go telly show.
My God.
This side of the house is coming away from itself. Look.
Oh my God. Oh my God, scared. See, look at that.
Yeah, no.
There's somebody in the pubkey. Come on.
Nobody in it. My stomach was going then, you know that?
Was it?
Yeah.
Shut up.
Because it reads up like somebody's rolled up in that
I
blanket.
know. Oh, I forgot me. There's sunglasses on there now. What's that? What's the window? What's that, Dad? Is that like a toilet?
It's a potty. It's a toilet potty, yeah. What's that? I don't know what that is.
been there? Oh yeah, we
It's
haven't.
supposed to. So we're on the outside now, on that in the sheds and stables. This looks like an old milk machine here, where they would have purified milk. Oh, it's not, it's a trailer. No, it ain't. I think I'm right. Don't step on that.
What is it?
Watch your step by nail. It's just a milking shed. Yeah, so it looks like it used to be a dairy farm. So I'm going to leave it there. Please like, please subscribe, and I'll see you again soon. Take care, Charlie. Ta-ra now.